If you want to change the call background on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you need to do is you need to go to the phone app and then tap on the three dots, which are here in the upper right corner or slightly below, and then choose Settings. Now over here in the settings, we want to simply find the call background option. You might also need to choose your SIM, and then here we have the preview of the background. You can see the main screen as well as the cover screen. You can tap on the background option now to choose something different. We have a couple of featured options, but you can also open the gallery and you can choose a picture from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. You can still adjust the picture, you can move it around, you can zoom in and zoom out very easily. And then here we also have the preview for the cover screen. You can adjust that as well. And then here we can tap on Set as Call Background. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.